Hello everyone. Today we are going to share about a pizza order system online that will be very convenient for everyone. I will let my group members, Wei Sheng, to continue.
Greetings to sirs. We are going to present about the pizza order system. My name is Yi Sheng and my metric number is 2x7677. I will start the present with the introduction part first. In this technology era, efficiency and customer satisfaction are important, especially for the food service. The pizza order system is an innovative Java-based application developed to streamline the process of ordering pizza from a local pizza house. With the rise of online ordering platforms and the increasing demand for convenience, traditional methods of ordering via phone calls or in-person visit have become outdated. This project addresses this challenge by providing a modern, user-friendly interface for customers to place their pizza orders conveniently and efficiently. In essence, the pizza order system has blended the convenience of digital innovation with the appeal of freshly baked pizzas. By embracing this technological advancement, pizza houses can elevate their customer service standards, increase their efficiency, and stay competitive in the market. With the pizza order system, the future of pizza ordering is not just convenient but also is efficient. Next is about the user manual. There are 7 options in the pizza order system. First is register. To register as a new customer, navigate to the register option in the main menu, then enter your name, customer ID, home address and email address when prompted. Ensure that the customer ID is unique to avoid conflict in the system. Once all details are entered, the system will confirm successful registration.
Hi, I'm Yi Sheng, number matrix 2 at 6424. This is about the code that we use in the interface of GUI. First is about the option of register. For register customer, we have make sure that the cashier of the pizza shop need to fill in the name, the customer ID, home address, and also email address for the new customer. And then after done input this data, it will shows that registering a new customer.
Second is order a pizza. It begins by selecting the order a pizza option from the main menu. If you haven't registered yet, the system will prompt you to register first, then enter your name and customer ID to proceed with placing an order. Next, choose your desired toppings from the available options, for example, pepperoni, mushroom, and olive, and select the size of your pizzas from available choice such as small, medium, or large. Optionally, you can specify the date of the order by entering it in the format of day, month, and years. If left it blank, the system will use the current date. After confirming your choice, the system will add the pizza to your cart.
The second option of the pizza shop program is about ordering a pizza. For this class, we need to look into the customer whether if he or she is registered or not in the previous options. Therefore, if the system cannot detect that the customer's data has been input into the program, it will output that the customer is not found and please register first. If the system found the customer ID and the name of the customer, it will shows the a window that saying that to choose the topping, whether tuna or Hawaii or anything else. And then after key in the topping, it will jump up the another window which shows that to input the size, whether it's SML, which is small, medium, or large. In here, the different size of pizza has their own price. So we have used the switch list to include the price of the pizza with the size of the pizza. We also use the last topping and the last size inside of this ordering pizza options because this data need to pass down to the coming options. After done with the topping and the size of the pizza, the system will require that the date of order to be input. So the shop need to key in the day, month, and year, or they can choose to directly to press enter, as the system will directly to take the today's date from the computer. After the ordering is done, it will output showing the message in the window of the program that which topping, what size, and how many is the price and the order dates for this customer.
Third is View Cart. To review the pizzas currently in your cart, select the View Cart option from the main menu. The system will display each pizza in your cart along with its topping, size, and price. You can see the total price of all items in your cart at the bottom of the list.
For the third option, which is the view cart options, the customer and the shoppers can check the pizza ordered by the customer inside the cart. Here we use the if else method, which is if the cart inside have no data, which is empty, so the system will print out that the cart is empty. If the cart is not empty, which is the ordering pizza have been done before, then the system will print out the number of pizza, which is the pizza number 1 or pizza number 2, and their topping and also sizes.
Fourth is search. If you need to find information about a specific customer, choose the search option from the main menu. Enter the customer ID you wish to search for when prompts. If the customer is found in the system, their details including names, ID, address, and email address will be displayed.
The fourth option is to use the search customer options with the usage of the customer ID. We have created a new class, which is the find customer by ID class, that I didn't include in these slides, but you can see in the source codes. That class store all the name, customer ID, the home address, and the email address of the customer that have been registered in the system. So by taking a look into the class, if the customer in the class is null, which means there's no data in the class, it will output the message that the customer is not found, or else it will say that the customer is found, and it will print out the details of the customers.
Fifth is delete. To remove a registered customer from the system, select the delete option from the main menu. Enter the customer ID of the customer you wish to delete. The system will confirm successful deletion if the customer is found and removed from the database.
Moving on is for the option delete customer, which is we want to clear out the data from the class. First, it will search the customer based on the customer ID that has been input. Then the system will make sure that the customer ID that you input into the system is the customer ID that need to be deleted. So if the system detected the customer ID in the class, it will find it and it will remove it. After removing the ID, it will shows that the customer with ID 1 or 2 has been deleted successfully. If the system cannot find the ID, it will pop up a window saying that the customer is not found with ID number 1 or ID number 2.
Sixth is checkout. When you are ready to finalize your order, choose the checkout option from the main menu. The system will calculate the total price of all items in your cart. Enter the amount tendered in RM to complete the transaction. If the amount tendered is sufficient, the system will display the changed amount and complete the checkout process. Your order will be processed and the data will be saved before exiting the application.
The option number 6 is about the checkout of the pizza shop. In this class, the system will check the cart of the customer that has been input with the pizza, the number of pizza, the type of topping, and also the type of the size of the pizza. If the system have not detected any pizza in the cart, then it will pop up that the cart is empty. then it will directly exiting the system. But if the system has detected some pizza in the cart, then it will calculate the total price for the all the pizzas, such as the small pizzas plus medium pizzas. Then the total amount of the price of pizzas will be shown, and the system will pop up that the number that we have received from the customers. So, if the system detected that the amount received or the amount tendered is lower than the total price of the pizza, the system will output a message which is insufficient fund and directly exiting the system. That to be said, but the number of pizza, size of pizza, and the topping is also saved in the previous classes, waiting for the customer to pay enough amount of money. If the system detected that the customer have paid the enough amount of money, then it will minus by the total price of the pizza, and then it will pop up the change amount of money that need to pay back to the customer. Lastly, it will shows the welcoming slogan of the pizza shop, which is "Thank you, please come again," and it will directly exiting the system.
7 is save and exit. To save all customer and pizza data and exit the application, select the save and exit option from the main menu. The system will ensure that all changes are saved to file for future reference. You can safely exit the application knowing that your data is securely stored for the next sessions. That's all from me. Next, my member will present about the actual operation of the Java coding of the pizza order system. Thank you.
As for the last option, which is the save and exit button, the usage of it has been covered in the previous button, which is the checkout button, but it can be concluded that it will pause the transaction in the middle by giving out the boolean options, which is save the data and exit, and it will pop up two little buttons, which is yes or no. If the system detected that the shoppers or the customer has pressed yes, then the system will save the data of this incomplete transaction into the classes, and will be displayed is if the next person open this system and also search for the original customers and the original orders. Then it will directly close the system. For the conclusion, this programming project has led us to create a very useful system for a shop to use in their digital era. With this application in hand, then the customer and the shopper will relieve as they can order themselves to make something changes on their pizza and increase the demand of pizza online platforms apart from its convenience. Me and my friend believe that with this system, the pizza house can achieve more sales and the customer can order pizza with more easy way. It's like hit a bird with two stones. So we encourage every pizza shop to use these applications to the fullest and embrace the era of the technology. That's all. Thank you for us.